Serial number 40 appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Abu Bakr.
The very marriage itself is in dispute, my lord. And the respondent filed a petition for maintenance. It was partly allowed, but the husband, petitioner's contention, my lord, how the forcefully the very event happened and how she has filed this petition. Your lordship may kindly see at page number 13, in page 3 of the judgment and order of the trial court.
Page number?
Page number 13, in page 3, para 5.
Page number 30, in page 3.
Page number 13, in page 3 of judgment and order, para 5, my lord.
1 minute.
Para 5. The respondent has taken contention marriage invitation card produced by the petitioner is created for filing of this petition. It is contended petitioner and her family members were introduced by one Mrs. Jansi, and on the same day petitioner and her family members forced the respondent to marry the petitioner. It is contended petitioner and her family members, rowdies, have threatened the respondent and his mother for marriage of the petitioner. It is contended there is no anyone support to the respondent and his mother, and taking advantage of this position, family members of the petitioner threatened the respondent and his mother. It is contended Mrs. Jansi, petitioner and family members came to the respondent's house and threatened that if the respondent will not marry with the petitioner, they will file case against the respondent under section 375 and 376 of IPC. And the same day, they took the respondent and his mother to one temple by forcefully and interlocked them, performed the marriage. It is contended there is no sexual relationship between the petitioner and the respondent at any point of time, and they are living separately from the date of marriage. And my lord, further, your lordship may kindly see in the cross at page number 16, para 13, at the end, in the cross-examination, he has specifically admitted as under, though PW1 cross-examined at length, nothing has been brought on record to disbelieve her evidence. No doubt, in the cross-examination, it is suggested to PW1, which reads as under. So, on the basis of the above said cross-examination, respondent tried to establish that his marriage with the petitioner took place forcefully, and he tied Mangala Sutra to the petitioner due to threat. At the cost of the petition, I would like to say that if really the said marriage took place forcefully as alleged by the respondent, it is not clear that after the alleged marriage, why respondent has not approached the jurisdictional police to lodge complaint against the petitioner and her family members. Even he has not initiated any private complaint or civil suit seeking necessary action against the petitioner and her family members. Further, my lord, page number 20, para number 18. Page number 20, para number 18. No doubt, PW1 in the cross-examination has admitted that there is no physical relationship between them from the date of marriage till today, but it is not a ground to come to conclusion that respondent has not neglected and refused. And there is no physical relationship. It's whatever the drama happened. It's only a forceful the event, my lord, and there is no marriage at all. But still, the trial court came to the conclusion and awarded partly ordered to pay the 10,000 monthly maintenance. Accordingly, it is being paid, but notice has been issued from this honorable court and paper publication also issued. Even then, she has not appeared. She will not appear also, my lord. And even with regard to the income, that is at page number 21, my lord. Page number 21 at line number 5th line. Admittedly, petitioner has not produced any income proof document of the respondent. In the cross-examination, she has clearly admitted that she has not produced any documents with regard to the income of the respondent. Hence, this court is of the opinion that petitioner has not proved the income of a respondent as alleged in the petition. And now the Milord proceedings regarding the recovery of maintenance is going on. Every month I was forced to pay 10,000 rupees
Whether she has
without any
initiated
valid
recovery
marriage.
proceedings?
Milord,
Whether she has initiated recovery proceedings?
yes, on the basis of this, Milord.
Which is that?
Actually, I filed an IA for that is at page number 37, Milord. So, please to say the operation and execution of the judgment dated 19/10/2019 passed CMIS number 609 of 2018.
Whether she has filed any recovery proceedings?
Yes, she has filed, but my interim prayer is to stay the operation and execution of the judgment of.
Good. Orders on IA number 2. Despite service of notice, there is no representation on behalf of respondent. He is unrepresented. Notice was taken out by paper publication.
Yes, Milord. Yes, Milord. First notice was 3 times notice issued. She knows it and she avoided the notice. Then we have taken paper publication.
Any other proceedings are pending between the parties?
No other proceedings.
So she has not filed recovery proceeding for recovery of this amount?
Yes, and only I have prayed for operation. Idane stay ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ details ನಾನು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ.
There shall be stay of operation and execution of the impugned judgment and order dated 19/10/2019, passed in CMS 609 of 2018. Subject to the condition the petitioner pays and deposits rupees 5,000 towards monthly maintenance to the respondent till next date of hearing. For long.
$5,000, Milord?
5,000 per month you deposit and pay. Continue to pay.
Till the interim order.
That's the interim order. We'll see if she makes an appearance on the next date. After that, it can be decided.
Obliged, immensely obliged.